I still see you in every light I chase, every night, every place. You walked in like the summer rain, soft but you burn inside my veins. One smile and I lost my name. Now nothing ever feels the same. I try to run, I try to hide, but you live deep in my mind. Every road I take leads back to the love I left behind. Tell me how to breathe again when your memory won't end. I'm falling, falling in slow motion, drowning in this ocean. Oh my love, I can't erase your eyes. They follow me through every night. Every heartbeat calls your name like fire. I can't tame. Oh my love, you're still inside my soul. Even when I let you go, no matter where I try to fly, I still see your eyes. You left but your shadow stayed, like a song I can't replay. Every corner of this place whispers your sweet name. I smile but it's not real. Broken pieces I still feel. You're the wound I never heal, the truth I never reveal. Tell me how to move ahead when your voice is in my head. I'm falling, falling in slow motion, lost inside devotion. Oh my love, I can't erase your eyes. They follow me through every night. Every heartbeat calls your name like fire. I can't take. Oh my love, you're still inside my soul. Even when I let you go, no matter where I try to fly, I still see your eyes. If I could turn the time around, I'd hold you when you're not around. But love like ours don't fade away, it only hurts more every day. Oh my love, I can't erase your eyes. They follow me through every night. Every heartbeat calls your name, still burning like a flame. Oh my love, forever I'll be tied to the memory in your eyes. No matter where I try to hide, I still see